Hello, welcome to another tutorial video on soap making. In today's video, we'll be making soap or making a laundry bar soap using the semi-hot process. I have made several videos on how to produce a laundry soap with the semi-hot process. So this is going to be another video on how to produce a laundry bar soap using the semi-hot process. This process is not actually hard, it's easy. It's very easy to learn. So you just watch this video and master this. This is going to be very helpful for those of you that are into soap making and you want to produce soap using other methods. Then you can learn how to do this with the semi-hot process. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it. Just follow everything I'll be teaching and you realize that this method of making soap is very easy. If you want to learn more about soap making, you can do well by enrolling for my online class. You check the description of this video, you'll find a link. You just simply click on that link. It will take you to WhatsApp where the online class holds. You will learn a lot about soap making and other skincare formulation. There's a lot you will learn there. And I have ebooks for sale. You will reach me by the number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase the ebook. The ebook is very rich and very informative. It has a lot of informations embedded in it. It even has information on how to obtain a NAFDAC registration number for those of you that need NAFDAC number and you want to go into large production. My ebook has all the necessary informations you will need to know on how to purchase a NAFDAC number. So when making a semi-hot process soap, you have to heat up your oil. If you are using stearic acid, you pour the stearic acid into the oil and heat it up until the stearic acid dissolves in the oil. Your oil has to be hot and your caustic soda solution too has to be hot. So both of them has to be hot. So what will make the soap is the heat. The heat from the caustic soda and the heat from the oil will come together and produce the soap. That is what we mean by the semi-hot process. Your soda has to be hot, your oil has to be hot. You mix the two of them together with that temperature. So I have ebooks for sale. You can do well by reaching me on the number displayed on the screen here to purchase the ebook. So just watch this video and follow every procedure that I'll be using. It's not hard. Thank you for watching.